How to change background color on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can change your background color on your Instagram story. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're trying to change the background color on Instagram story, let me just describe or show you what the issue is. So let's say I'm trying to upload a new story over here and then I choose a certain image. What happens is that for now, the background color is actually automatically detected from the color of your photo. It will pick up that accent color. But I don't want this to be the case. I want a custom color and I want to add an image on top of it. So what you do is, once you select any image here, we will convert this image to a background color. To do that, tap on the three dots icon from the top right and tap on draw. Now just go ahead and then draw all over it for the color that you want. Just kidding, that's not how it works, right? So what you do is from the bottom, you select the color that you want, right? Let's say I want blue color, I'll select blue. Once I've selected blue from this bottom, just long press on the image like this and you can see it will be converted to a color. Now hit the arrow button like this. Now we've converted the image to a color. So how do we actually add another image on top of it? To do so, you tap on the sticker icon from there, from the top. From the sticker icon, you look for a photos sticker. So a photos filter will be over there. Look for that photos filter. Now just choose the photo that you want. And now you can zoom in and have a certain photo on top of it. You can even tap on it to basically change the shape and size. You can zoom out, zoom in, and do whatever else it is you prefer. And you can add as much photo as you want as well. So you can tap the sticker icon again. Then again, you can go to photo. Then again, you can add another photo on top of it. But to give you an idea, this is how you can change the background color in Instagram story. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.